Welcome, fellow science enthusiasts, to our journey into the hidden world of termites. Today, we embark on a groundbreaking exploration as we dissect the termite queen. But before we dive in, let's unravel the fascinating tale of the termite queen. She's the mighty matriarch of the colony, responsible for its growth and survival. Just imagine, a creature so crucial yet so mysterious. Now let's not keep you waiting any longer. It's time to reveal the secrets hidden within the termite queen. As we carefully dissect the termite queen, we uncover her intricate anatomy, from her colossal size to her remarkable reproductive system. Look closely as we delve into the wonders of her ovaries, capable of producing thousands of offspring daily. It's truly a marvel of nature. Each part tells a story of resilience and adaptability, traits that have ensured the survival of termite colonies for millions of years. As we conclude our dissection, we gain a deeper understanding of the termite queen's role in shaping the intricate dynamics of her colony. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring journey into the world of termites. Remember, there's always more to discover, so stay curious and keep exploring. Until next time, keep discovering, keep learning, and keep marveling at the wonders of the natural world. Thanks for watching.